Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to mix conditions. So as usual, first we select all the records from employee table. Then here, if you see, we are putting where condition as sex equal to male. Then here we are using the logical operator not. That means sex equal to male not. So 6 is not male. So that's what here we are checking. The not will do the negation where 6 equal to male not means 6 equal to female. So that's the use of not operator here. So it will reverse the condition output. So if it returns true, 6 equal to male, if it returns true, not means it will return false. So the not operator will reverse the condition. Say for example, when it is applying the condition to the record set, and if record set returns true, it will reverse the condition. So if this condition returns false, then not of false is true. That means when the comparison returns 6 as male, that will return true and the total outcome is false. So if 6 is a female, the condition will return false. When it returns false, negation of false is true. So indirectly here we are stating that return all the female employees. Here we are going to see logical AND operator. So the same column list where 6 equal to male, that's one condition, and country code equal to IN. That means country code should be India and sex should be male. Both conditions should satisfy. Say for example, there is a record here. So country code is in all the record. Let's assume like that. So when it applies the condition, so the where condition will be applied record by record. So let's state that we are at this specific record. The condition will be applied sex equal to male. Yes, true. Country code equal to India. Yes, true. When both are true, true and true, the total outcome will be true. Right? That means the record will qualify. And if you see here, the first one is true. Second one, I mean the country code India true, and sex is female, so this is false. So in that case, the total outcome will be false. So that's how the AND will work. For you can even use multiple AND, T and T and T. So if you see here, there are 3 conditions. When all 3 conditions return true, then we will be getting a total outcome of true. If one condition goes false, then total outcome will be false. So that's the use of AND operation. When the total outcome is true, the record will get qualified for selection. Right? Here we use 2 conditions. One is sex equal to male and another one is country code equal to N. So what we are saying here is select these columns, 4 columns, that's the column filter, from table, from which table we want to select, that we specified here, where apply the record condition sex equal to male as well as country code equal to India. So, and here if you see here, I told the word as well as, so you can, when you are reading, you can read like that, where sex equal to male as well as country code equal to India, right? So when the selection qualifies, we will be retrieving that record. Next, here if you see, we are using the logical OR operator. So here for AND operator, all conditions should return true, but for OR operator, this is logical OR. If any one condition returns true, the total outcome will be true. So the meaning here is select employee ID, full name, country code, sex from this table employee, apply the record filter. Country code should be UK or the sex can be female. So when it is qualifying for the record, it will check whether the record's country code is UK. So if that's the case, it will pick the record. It doesn't bother about the sex. Or if country code is not UK but sex is female, then also it will qualify. That means if outcome, any one of this outcome, this is condition 1, condition 2, if any one of the outcome is true, the total outcome will be true. Then the record will qualify for display. So just move to the next query. So OR condition visa, right? Here it is the negation of OR. That means country code should be UK or sex should be female. When you apply not here, so here if you see, the not is used in conjunction with the 2 more condition. So here what we are stating is the country code should not be UK, sex should not be female. Not here we are specifying. Say for example, if any one condition satisfy, let's say the country code is UK and sex is male, so this will return false because we are checking female. When the operator is OR, if any one condition satisfies, the total outcome will be true. But here we are applying the negation. That means true goes as false, right? In that case, if you read it like this, where either country code should be UK or sex should be false, I mean sex should be female, not means then the reading will go in a negative direction, like where country code should not be UK as well as sex should not be female, right? So that's the use of not operator here. So both should be false. Say for example, now let's state that country code is India, it will return false, and the sex is male, then this will also return false, right? So the total outcome will be false here, right? Since it's OR condition, if any one condition is true, then total outcome will be true. If all are false, then total outcome will be false. But here when we are applying not, this will go as true. That means the intention here is qualify the record when country code is not UK as well as sex is not female. So you can apply not on both the condition, where country code is not UK. This is OR, right? When we are using not, you should think of AND. So country code is not UK as well as sex should not be female. All right, as usual, now we will select employees. There are 8 employees here. Now let's go to new query window. There, when I execute, if you see, let me cut this for now. Here we are asking sex should be male, so all male employees are returned. when I put negation of this, then all female employee will be returned, right? Where 6 is not male. That's the meaning of this query. Here we used the not. Now if you see here, the condition is logical AND. That means this is one condition, 6 equal to male. The other condition is country code should be India. These two condition is combined with an OR operator. That means both condition should met. When it is qualifying the record, if you see here, country code and 6, right? Country code should be India. There are 2 records, and here there are 2 more records. First we will check this, and 6 should be male. Here this is 6 is female, so this disqualifies. So employee ID 3 will be selected, and here in this case both the record qualifies because this is male and this one is male. Country code also India. So now when I execute this, you can see 3 records, right? Country code is India, satisfied. Sex is male, so that's also sex, that's also satisfied. All right, now we get 3 records because of this AND condition. So here we use country code equal to UK or sex equal to female. For easy readability, you can put bracket like this. So this clearly distinguish the conditions. Country code equal to UK or sex should be female. If any one condition satisfies, retrieve that record. So that's what here we are saying with this where condition. Here it's different. We are stating both conditions should satisfy, right? Alright, now we will execute it. If you see, this record qualifies because country code is not UK but 6 is female, so that's why the record is qualified. The second one, if you see, country code is IL, not UK, but 6 is female, so the record is qualified. And third record, if you see, the 6 is not female, 6 is male, but the country code is UK, so it is satisfied. So that's what the meaning here. Select employee ID, full name, country code, 6 from the table where the country code should be UK. Either it should be country code should be UK or this it should be female. So retrieve those records. So that's what we done here. And you can see the qualified records are displayed. If you want, you can always check the select star data. So now out of 8 records, there are 8 records, right? Out of 8 records, 3 records qualified here. But if I put not, we are simply stating that I don't want these 3 records. Remaining record you can pick. So that's what the meaning of not. So otherwise we can say country code should not be UK and or as well as sex should not be female. Here if you see country code, it's not UK, sex is also not female. So it select all male record, then it applies or it filters out the or it skips the UK. So if you see here, male, country code is NL, it was picked, male, India picked, null entry is not picked. If you see, this is UK, right? male UK, it will not be picked, 6 will not be here, right? So that's the use of not. So it applies this condition from the total outcome, it reverses that. All right, that's all here in this video. Here you just learned mixing the condition. So this is not operator. Here you are mixing two condition with and. Here you are mixing two condition with or. So you can mix n number of condition with and or as well as not. I mean, so it's not restricted to only two condition. You can apply the condition with I mean, you can put n number of condition and combine that with and as well as or. All right, that's all here. Thank you for watching. Bye.